still at the Village Collection, and today still is July 14th. And we are looking at another room for the Park Ranch Court project. This is the laundry room, and pretty much all the same as the back kitchen that we just did. This is Salt Dayton Rift, and we have the extended style here where it goes to the wall. Inside this tall cabinet, it's a really tall door, and tall doors like this are prone to warp. In fact, the WIC and the AWI recommend not building cabinet doors in excess of 50 inches. But what we do to combat that is we install the steel rod, which is called a plano bit. And underneath each one of these cups is a hex screw that you can use to adjust the doors should they ever warp. You can see it lays perfectly flat right now, but say in 5 years or 10 years from now it cups or bows from you can always just pop these caps off, and you can tighten or loosen that rod to make the door pull straight again. Kind of a neat feature. Inside this cabinet, there will be 5 adjustable shelves. We put one in. We usually put one in each section with the test fit, make sure all our holes are lined up and everything fits properly. And then inside this right here, it's just an open storage, no shelf. The steam, I guess it's called a steam closet. That's actually going to sit inside here. There's no panel or anything. It's just an open section. That's why it's completely finished on the inside. Now, that's just there for support. Okay, so then here are adjustable shelves in the upper cabinet. The bottom shin, and like I showed you on the other, the back kitchen, it's pre-routed for the lighting as well as the channeling for the wiring as well. And in the base cabinets, you have adjustable shelves, and then your bank of 3 drawers right here. Solid maple dovetail, soft glue, just like everywhere else. And then we get over to the washer and dryer side. Your 2 appliances go here, and in this cabinet you have a big laundry sink. Adjustable shelves in the uppers, as well as in the base cabinet right here. So this pretty much wraps up the 2 areas that we're going to get bundled up and loaded into the truck. And I think Ralph's already reached out to you guys to schedule the delivery. So I'm sure that's probably happening either later this week or sometime next week. But anyways, it's coming out to you, and I've got more rooms to show you real quick. So that's it for today, and thank you very much.